Hi. We've decided, after spending so much time putting the shop together, that it would be fun to kind of walk through some of the tools that we have hooked up to our dust collector and show how quickly things can be done if the shop is... Start, put on protective gear. The dust collection system has a sensor on the power lines, which are shared by all the tools. And when there's current, it turns on the dust collector, which runs for about 10 seconds afterwards. So this is the planer. Pull it away from the wall. Lock it down. Reset for the right depth. Now, the one thing I forgot to do before I started that was to change. You can come over here and change the, what do you call these again? Blast, what do you call it?
Gate.
Blast gates, so that we close the one that's set up for the previous tool and set it up for the next one. So according to my plan here, we go from the joiner to the planer to the miter saw, because we're going to cut a length now which is suitable for the foam. And the miter is on the top, so I'm going to turn this one on and come over to the miter saw. Screw off the edge. Smooth surface on all sides. To make it more interesting, I'm going to use okay, so I've got some guidelines, and now we've got to remember to turn the blast gate on for the band saw, which is on the bottom. In a lock position. And with this tool, you have to pressure unintentionally. Not very pretty. Well, yeah. Close the bandsaw. And now we go to the sander. It's actually an oscillating spindle sander. This is going to be a challenge. Happens if we run this through the planer one more time. Kind of burnt here and here. That's where you do some hand sanding, I suppose. And it's a little rough around the edges here. But for demonstration purposes, it'll work. Now, we want to put a groove in here for the phone to sit in. And that can go either direction. I'm thinking here, and you don't want to go right through, obviously. So you have to set the depth. So not go more than part way through. There you have a beautifully almost finished piece of oak, I believe, that will be used to support the phone when we take pictures. That's all.